Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to see one of the important questions asked in an interview in which they have asked us to find out the second highest element and the second lowest element from an array, considering array does not have any duplicate elements. Okay, so just to make it simple, array does not have any duplicate elements. We will cover one more program later on in which we will be having duplicates elements as well. Okay, so for this example, for this program, let's take a look quickly. So to find out a duplicate element, okay, sorry, to find out the second highest element and the second lowest element, first of all, the first step should be from our side is to sort this array. Okay, and to sort the array, basically we have one function called sort, which is of arrays class. Okay, now how you can use it? You can use arrays dot sort. In braces you have to pass the array name. Once it is done, it means your array is sorted now. Okay, now we have to find the second highest. Okay, so second highest will be obviously from the second last position. I mean, will be there at the second last position. Okay, in the array. So in order to get the second highest element, first of all, what I can do, I can find out the length of the array. Right, to find out the length you can simply use a length function. Please, I mean, just try to remember these functions because you will be using these functions very frequently in upcoming array related interview questions. Okay, so that's why I took this simplest example as in the beginning. Okay, and later on I'll complex uh, the number of questions they have asked in the array, right? And you will be using all these functions. So temp.length basically give you the length of an array. Okay, and you can save this value as an integer because obviously it will be an integer of like 8 7 6, and so here it will be like 7, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So the length will be 7 here. Okay, now I want the second highest, so what I can do, I can simply print temp. Now here I have to find the, here I have to enter the index value, right? From this array I need to find the element from a specific index, right? So second highest means obviously from the last, right? Because it will always sort in the increment order, you can say, or ascending order, you can say, like the first one will be 10, then 23, then 24, then 34, then 53, then 56, and then 77. It will sort in this way. Okay, no problem. I'll debug the code, then in that case it will be very clear to you guys. Okay, and now here, since you have to find the second, you can simply say length, that is 7 minus 2, that is fifth position. Okay, so you want fifth, I mean the value which is present on the fifth index of this array, right? So this will be your second highest element. Okay, and in the same way you can find the second lowest. Okay, second lowest. Now to find the second lowest, you can simply write directly 1. Why I wrote 1? Because the index starts from the 0. It means that this 10 should be in the 0th index. Okay, so let me print this program and I will debug it so that we will get more clarity on it. So if you see, the second lowest number is 23 and the second highest number is 56 in this array, right? So let me quickly debug it from here, and I will show you. So to debug a program, you can simply right click on this and you have this debug option. Click on Java application. It will stop since I have kept this debugger pointer here, so it will stop the execution, or it will pause the execution over here, and you can use step out, okay, to move to the next line. So if you see, as of now, let me stitch it. Okay, this temp has these values, right? 0th position 10th, 1st position 23, then 34, then 24. So it is not sorted as of now, right? Let me switch over to the next statement, that is on line 15. Right now, as soon as I did this, if you see here, these elements are switched. I mean, they are basically sorted now. Now 10, then 23, then 24, then 34, then 56, 53, then 56 and 57. Let me go to next. If you see here, we got one variable length, and the value of variable length is 7. Now, it means the array size is 7, okay, but the index value starts from the 0. Now we have to find the second lowest. It means this one, because the first lowest is 10, so the second lowest is, it should be on the first index. That's the reason, if you see here, I have kept it as 1. So we always need to consider the index position, not just the number like second highest, it means you should pass second. No, it should be n minus 1 always, okay. And same goes with length. So if you see, length is 7, but the array size, I mean the index value, we have value till 6, so it should be minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5, that is 56, and that's the reason we are getting these values. I hope I mean you are able to understand this program, and it will help you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.